Here's a terrifying thought. Right now, you could be making all the right money moves and still end up broke. You're earning, maybe you're even saving, but the goal of real wealth feels like it's moving further away. You're stuck on a hamster wheel of paychecks and payments. Sound familiar? Or, as I like to call it, adulting on hard mode. You're not failing, you just don't have a system. A system that's automatic, that's ruthless with your priorities, and works while you sleep. Today, that changes. In the next 5 minutes, I'm giving you the exact 5 step system I used to go from anxious spender to confident builder. But be warned, step 3 is so counterintuitive, most people ignore it, and it's the very reason they stay stuck. Let's build your machine. This isn't theory. This is your new financial operating system. You need one dashboard to see everything, one app like Monarch or Copilot where all accounts connect. Your net worth isn't a mystery, it's a number you check like the weather. This is your financial vision. Without it, you're driving blindfolded, and once you see the truth, you can defend it. This is your sleep at night fund, not for vacations, for real emergencies. Your car transmission doesn't care about your plans. Today, open a high-yield savings account at an online bank like Ally or Marcus. Set a recurring transfer. This is your financial body armor. Protected? Good. Now, why are you still donating to your credit card company? Here's the truth everyone misses. Attacking your smallest debt first isn't math, it's psychology. The debt snowball gives you a win in 30 days, not 30 years. That momentum is fuel. List your debts, smallest to largest. Attack the first with everything you have. The feeling of closing that first account? That's the drug that will make you addicted to being debt free. You've stopped the bleeding. Now, let's make your money immortal. This is where magic happens. Automation. Your 401 match is free money, take it. Then, open a Roth IRA at Fidelity or Vanguard. Set up an auto transfer for the day after payday. Invest it in one fund, VTI. You are now a business owner of 4,000 American companies. You didn't buy a stock, you bought the future. Your money now has a better work ethic than most influencers. This account is for your why, the car, the trip, the freedom. A separate, specific savings pot. Watching this grow is fun. It turns discipline into desire. This is the shift. You are no longer reacting to bills, you are executing a plan. The fear of an unexpected bill, gone you have the fortress. The anxiety about the future, gone your future machine is humming. Your money has a job, a mission for every single dollar. But this is just level 1. This system creates the foundation for everything else: real investing, asset building, true financial freedom. The kind of freedom that doesn't just change your bank account, it changes your Monday mornings. And that's exactly what we'll build next. Your move. Step 1. Smash that like button. It tells YouTube this is valuable, and it helps me guide more people like you. Step 2. Subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down the first $10,000 investment plan that beats 90% of professionals. We're moving from defense to offense. Step 3. Your immediate action.